Ever wonder what happens when metal melts? We usually think of three states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. But what if there's something in between? Scientists just discovered a mind-blowing new state of matter. Using powerful microscopes, researchers watched tiny metal droplets melt. They expected all the atoms to move around wildly, like a busy crowd. But surprisingly, some atoms stayed completely still, even at super high temperatures. It turns out these motionless atoms were pinned to the surface they were sitting on. Here's where it gets crazy. When enough of these stationary atoms formed a ring to create an atomic corral. This corral trapped the liquid metal inside, preventing it from freezing even when cooled more than 1,000 degrees below its normal freezing point. This new corralled supercooled liquid is a hybrid of a solid and a liquid. This discovery could revolutionize everything from creating self-cleaning catalysts to developing new clean energy technologies. What an incredible glimpse into the building blocks of our universe. Thanks for watching.